Hello Year 2 and welcome to our Friday maths lesson. I'm going to try and keep it really short today because I think you're getting really good at multiplication and division. So we're going to do a bit more of using the inverse today. Today we're going to use the inverse for checking times and divide. So sometimes you have to work out the answer for the division question first. Sometimes you have to work out the answer for the times one first. And then I'd like you to check them all using the inverse. So our first one, 35 divided by 5. I bet lots of you can do this in your head now. Think of some ways that we can do this one. 35 divided by 5. So yesterday in the class we decided that probably counting in fives was the quickest way to do this sort of one. So let's put fives into groups. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And each one of these fives is a group. So we've got one group, two groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fives. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. And now we're going to do the inverse. So when we do the inverse, we're doing the opposite. What's the inverse of a division question? Fabulous. We're going to be doing times. So we just need to do it the opposite way round. So 7 times 5. 7 times 5. Let's count 7 lots of 5 and check to make sure that we're going to get that answer 35. So I'm going to get my 7 fingers ready to help me and do 7 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Brilliant. So we've worked out the answer and then we've checked it using the inverse. Fantastic. 7 times 2. So 7 lots of 2. So we can count 7 twos. So 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 twos. Let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 7 times 2 equals 14. If you've been doing lots of TT Rockstars practice, you should be getting quick at working these out in your head. So let's have a look at what the inverse is going to be. So this one was a times question. So the inverse is going to be, that's right, division. Start from this side. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Fantastic. So another one where we've worked out the answer and checked it using the inverse. 90 divided by 10. Let's count in tens. So we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's count how many tens we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 90 divided by 10 equals 9. We just need to check that using the inverse. So you can shout the inverse at the board to me. Might be able to hear you if you get loud enough. So I'm going to do my divide sign. And then it's 9. Is it the divide sign? I think I've done that one wrong. I've got a divide here already. So what should the sign be? Yep, you're right. It's times. Oh my goodness. I'm glad it's Friday today. I'm getting silly and forgetful. 9 times 10 equals 90. Fantastic. Another one where we've used the inverse to check the answer. So today I would like you to work out the answer to all of these. Some divide, some times, and then I want you to show the inverse for each one. You can pause the video and write them down from here, or I will send you the sheet to use as well. So hopefully you'll be able to get on with your maths and then try and beat the teachers at TT Rockstars. I think you're winning a little bit, but as soon as I've finished doing this video, I'm going to go into TT Rockstars and try and catch up a little bit. Okay, so our celebrity shout outs for today are, the first one is Albie. Hi Albie. Sometimes Albie's at school, sometimes he's at home, but he's always trying really hard wherever he is. Well done Albie. And a shout out to Oliver. Hi Oliver. Keep up the great work with maths. And a big hello to Harry, who's always trying his very best in everything that he does. Well done, Harry. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.